Everyone likes to follow trends in the markets. It's one of the most intuitive and clean methods for trading and generally requires the least effort. The problem is, a lot of trend following tools can be very one-dimensional. Sure, you got a signal, but this isn't optimal for trading. We should be aiming to leverage key market levels for better entries and look for retracements to get better profits. That's why we, at Chart Prime, created the Trend Levels Indicator. Let's take a look into this indicator and see exactly how it works. At a glance, it's one of the more intuitive tools we've made. Firstly, we have our classic signals on the chart. A green arrow implies it's a good time to buy and take longs, whereas a pink downwards pointing arrow suggests a downward shift in the market's trend. The candle colors will also aid in those clear market trend identifications. As we've mentioned in a lot of our videos, the issue is trading following trends leaves a ton of gains on the table. So that's exactly why you'll notice a trailing high, mid, and low on the chart. The green line shows a recent high within the window, and the pink line shows a recent low. These make excellent bounce zones to enter a trade. For example, here we've started an uptrend as indicated by our green buy arrow. Since we know entering blindly on signals isn't the best idea, we can use our lower pink line to get a better entry when the market pulls back. As we can see, the market moves up, then comes back to retest this market zone, making it an even more optimal buying point. The exact opposite, of course, goes for sell signals, where you can look towards a retest of the green upper line. One of the other interesting components you will have noticed is the grey middle line. This is the midpoint between our high and our low, and it makes an amazing support and resistance zone and an entry point. As we can see, the market was in an uptrend. We want to look for those key market zones where we can enter positions. Setting buy orders on this grey level can be an amazing option, as shown here when we see a strong reaction. For further confluence, we have built in a trend meter in the top right corner, showing how bullish or bearish the trend truly is. A negative value, of course, is bearish, with minus 100 being the maximum bearish value, and a positive value is, of course, bullish. For Chart Prime Pro users, you of course have the Trend Assistant, which can follow these exact trends even more accurately, and as shown here, serves as an amazing retest point in the market, and unlike other trend following indicators, it does not succumb to fake outs. But back to our trend levels indicator. For traders that prefer more frequent signals and closer levels, you can open up the settings and reduce the length input. And for traders that prefer to swing trade and prefer more macro moves, this value can be increased. Using trends and retests can be a super efficient, multifaceted approach for analyzing a market. However, combining them into one tool and system can really help give you an edge over other tools like the Super Trend. So, if you want to use this indicator 100% free, search for Trend Levels and use this one by Chart Prime. And if you want more free indicators like this, don't forget to join our Discord.